I don't know what the fuck is going on. But something is happening in my house. Noises. And those are not normal noises. It's nothing like those I've heard before. It's. I think it might be mice or something. It's kind of squeaky, kind of thumping from time to time. It's not sex noises. I know what sex noises are. But yeah, I don't know. It's like some kind of dying animal. I might actually like talk about it to someone else. Who knows? Did you hear that? Jesus Christ. Alright. I hope you guys have a nice day. Have fun. Don't play in traffic.